Hi, I'd like to give a shout out to CauseBox for creating a company that gives back and makes a difference through ethically made and cruelty-free products. So let's start off by talking about this. This is a beautiful piece of artwork to me. Golden, brown, different toned skin colors, and hint, hint, that's one of the items that's going to be in the box. So that's really cool. It kind of gives you like a preview to what might be in here. So this is the outside of the box. And we're going to take a look inside. So the first item in this box was something that I literally just said I needed to get. I was warming up some water for myself and my husband because our Hinkley Schmidt water is due to come in and it hasn't come in yet. So we normally can just go right to the little, our little dispenser and push the hot button and water comes out. But lately we haven't been able to do that. So I've been warming the water up in the microwave, and I literally thought I need to purchase a tea kettle. Went to my room, my husband, I put the CauseBox on the bed. I opened it up. This was the first thing that was in there. Not even joking. So I'm very pleased to say that this is the first item. You can use this on a gas stove or an electric stove. Comes with a lid. Very well made, brushed gold kettle. I'm impressed. I like it. On to the next item is baking mats. So these are all, they're produced from plastic waste. Eco-friendly. They're silicone baking mats. Oh wow. Different colors. One's like a blue and one's a green. Very, very nice. You can bake cookies on this. So this goes on top of your tin pan, your baking sheet, and then you just put the cookies on there and it should come off very easily. Are actually some of my favorite things. I love masks for my face. But one thing that I don't really treat myself on are pedicures. I usually get when I'm in the shower or tub, I just take the loofah and scrub over it, and then I take the little callus remover and I go over that, and that's pretty much it. But these are nice foot masks. They are peony scented. They have peony root extract, green tea extract, apple extract, and it's one use in here. So I really like the idea that they put this in here because I will intentionally pamper myself because I have it. It's not something that I would have purchased for myself. So I think it's really nice that it's included in the box. On to the next. It's actually bamboo bedding. So it looks like they're pillowcases. These are made from 100% organic bamboo, water and energy saving when you're washing in your front load washers, minimal packaging, hypoallergenic and chemical free. And they come in this really nice case. I've been getting more into the bamboo bedding, but actually, they only gave you one pillowcase. It seemed like they gave you a set. That's my only criticism to this. But they give you one pillowcase, and it's very soft. You can tell that it has a really nice sheen to it. Very nice. One thing it does is it makes me want to go onto the website and take a look at their bedding for sure, because this is very good quality. All right, that's that. In the box are a pair of earrings. These are actually really, really nice. Sanctuary Project, employing and empowering survivors. Again, this is a company, and you guys can do the research on it, but every product that's in here is purposeful, and it's either helping here it is. We're a nonprofit social enterprise providing meaningful employment and job training to survivors of trafficking, violence, and addiction. So this company employs people who have escaped this type of violence. So this is another reason when I heard about CauseVox, this was one of the reasons I subscribed to it, because we're helping a mission, and that's huge to me. Make your dollars mean something. You have the power to buy where you want to buy, so you can be intentional about where your dollars go. So this is another item that's included in there, and it just so happens to be yellow gold, which is, anybody who knows me knows that I am a yellow gold or rose gold girl. I have on yellow gold earrings right now. All of my jewelry is yellow gold, okay? So these earrings are going to be worn, and they look like they're very good quality and very well made. Again, another handmade item, which I'm all about handmade products.
1, 2,